welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking some Dollar Tree vases and candlestick holders, and I'm just going to make a little holiday decoration out of it. I'm going to show you a couple different options for how you can set this up. So you're just going to need a hot glue gun and 5 candlestick holders and 3 vases from Dollar Tree. Right now I'm showing you the option that I went with, and then this is also another option right here. It just depends on how you want the base to look. And then also I'm going to show you right here the base for if you want to do like the taller version, and then also the base for the version that I went with. So this is the version of the base that I went with. Okay, so I'm just going to put some hot glue on there. If you want this to be more sturdy or permanent, definitely use a stronger adhesive. So I'm just making sure, it's kind of hard to see here, but there are like little corners, so I'm just making sure they line up so that it doesn't look uneven. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat the same process. Now, so for this last one, I'm not going to be gluing it to another candlestick. I'm just going to glue it right to the base of the vase. And I'm going to go ahead and take these 2 taller ones and glue them to the base of the vase as well. Okay, so this is how they look when they're all glued together. Now if you want, you can keep it like this. You can put some vase filler in there, or you can go ahead and just put the candles in there and keep it like this. But because I did want to have this as a Christmas decoration, I'm going to go ahead and take some of these fake flowers from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to glue these around the base of the vase and just kind of stick things wherever I like them. Okay, so now this is how it looked complete. I really like the way this came out. I thought it looked beautiful with the candles lit. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe.